Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a high-octane adrenaline rush. We're diving deep into the world of extreme timber processing with the fastest automatic firewood machines and the most dangerous chainsaws ever built. Start watching. This is the real deal.
And basically it's pretty easy to use. Your log, pop it on.
Wow! Repurposing a 1992 Honda Civic into a functional wood splitter using a stickler showcases engineering at its finest. The setup is powerful and efficient, proving the potential of discarded materials. However, incorporating safety measures like disconnect switches would be a vital upgrade to enhance its practicality and user safety.
Same thing, you just put it on like that. Now, you want to make sure
Intense. After Hurricane Sandy, a large oak tree fell, its roots deep in wet soil. Using the 20-inch steel chainsaw MS-290, he cut near the root ball first to prevent the tree from being pulled back. Placing logs underneath the trunk helped stabilize it, making it easier to finish the cut. The Stihl MS-290 handled the task effortlessly, clearing the site efficiently. Amazing! Experience Timber Pro 755D cutting precision. Clean cuts, minimal splintering at a perfect power-to-weight balance for unmatched performance. Excellent! The Noose-Reiner Brenel Saga firewood saw is an excellent piece of engineering designed for efficiency and simplicity. Its sturdy frame and precise cutting table, equipped with multiple saw blades, enhance cutting capacity, reduce effort, and increase productivity. This is an ideal choice for home use. Powerful! The Dennisimo Da 080 is a powerful mulcher for medium-sized excavators like the Tauchi TB175. It features a 32-inch cutting width, handles branches up to 4 inches, and operates with a hydraulic flow of 17 gallons per minute.
Oh, a dollar!
Important. That's why it's important to wear the right safety gear. Yes. Nostalgic. There's something nostalgic about old-fashioned wood splitters. The engine's roar, the slow pace, they seem to belong to a different era. But just a small change, like adding a protective tube to the V-groove, can make all the difference between a smooth and safe process. Critical. Prolonged drought has stressed forests in Toral, Germany, making them prone to bark beetle infestations that kill spruce and pine trees. These trees are now being harvested by the Komatsu 931XC with its nimble yet robust design. The 931XC features a powerful 230 horsepower crane, 26-inch wheels for obstacle navigation, and a 3 psi hydraulic system for simultaneous operations, ensuring efficient timber removal. Shocking! This was a ladder I was standing on. I had to jump and get away. Impressive! The Komop SD100 DLTR is engineered for maximum efficiency in wood processing. With a robust design capable of handling mixed wood bundles up to 16 inches in diameter, it offers a seamless combination of power and precision. Its ergonomic controls reduce operator fatigue, and the built-in safety mechanisms ensure compliance with industry standards. Fantastic! Looking to take down a big tree for a new irrigation project? This excavator attachment is the perfect solution. It gets the job done fast and with minimal disruption to the area, saving you both time and money. Strong. These aren't your average pickups. These heavy-duty trucks are built for the toughest terrain and heaviest loads. Featuring an articulated design and powerful hydraulics, watch as the operator skillfully unhitches the trailer, adjusts the bunks, and loads each log with precision, ensuring perfect weight distribution for safe transport. Overwhelming. I think if we saw this scene in real life, the sheer size of the logs and the Mack truck would be totally overwhelming for all of us. classic. This vintage wood splitter powered by a rare sandwich engine showcases both old-world charm and raw power. Though it may look a bit intimidating, its functionality speaks volumes, proving that age-old mechanics still get the job done with precision. Outstanding! In 2022, Holzbau-Benz upgraded their sawing capabilities with a state-of-the-art Meringer saw frame. This advanced system offers fully automatic width adjustment, allowing for simultaneous cutting of 3 handles without manual repositioning. They also integrated cutting-edge Minger machines for clamping, auxiliary carriages, ring knives, and pre-cutting, making it an impressive setup. Game-changing! Watch the video to witness its capabilities. The Ventac KC220 stump grinder is a game-changer for land clearing. Its 18-inch cutter head with 16 carbide teeth makes quick work of any stump, grinding down to 6 inches below grade. Powered by a robust 35 horsepower engine, it's compact enough for tight spaces, yet powerful enough for the toughest jobs, a must-have for any professional landscaper. Brilliant! The screw-driven wood splitter combined with the Renault Super 5 tractor via the 3-point hitch system is an excellent solution for high-intensity wood splitting. This combination ensures precision and effortless wood separation with maximum power. Incredible! Did you see that? The LKT-81 is hauling a massive 706 cubic feet of timber, triple the usual load. This powerhouse is built to tackle the toughest challenges, proving it's the ultimate workhorse. Perfect! Combining the HMG HSP16 wood splitter with the John Deere LS310 tractor creates an optimal solution for high-output wood processing. The tractor's robust power is perfectly matched with the splitter's hydraulic capabilities, ensuring smooth and quick wood splitting, ideal for large-scale operations. efficient. Stripping bark is the first step in log processing, and the ZE1105 debarker from Voller & Zod makes it effortless. With adaptive technology for a perfect peel on any log, it handles logs up to 35 inches in diameter and operates at speeds of up to 98 feet per minute. Its rotor system minimizes wood damage while reducing labor costs, noise, and dust emissions. Dramatic. As long as they don't get hurt. Get out of there. No, 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 no. You okay? Okay. The world of machines is incredibly vast and exciting, isn't it? We hope you enjoyed diving into it with us and found it informative. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Innovative. It sounds too good to be true, but the SMD18-based woodchipper does exactly that. By streamlining wood processing for gasification, it helps businesses save money while ensuring a consistent energy supply. Say goodbye to wasteful methods. This is innovation at its finest. Excellent! The H-Pro 755VB harvester featuring the H-Pro FG45 clamp boasts an impressive 18-inch felling capacity, effortlessly handling even complex root systems. This precision ensures minimal soil disturbance and promotes rapid regeneration, vital for sustainable forestry practices in Sweden's expansive woodlands. Awesome! If you're used to a homemade wood splitter with just a single axe blade, imagine a machine with two circular, powerful, and highly efficient axe blades. The pile of firewood in your backyard will no longer be a problem with the strength this machine brings.
Oh wait, there it is a little.
Impressive! Lane shingle grinders stand out for their efficient design. The self-loading system is a masterclass in ingenuity, offering seamless operation with minimal complexity. Seeing one in action would certainly highlight its true value. Exciting! This setup is built to handle the harshest conditions with ease. Load up the wood and head back to the cabin feeling unstoppable. Winter logging has never been this exciting. An ATV with a trailer? Seriously? You're telling me it can handle over 2,000 pounds of wood? That's crazy! I never imagined an ATV could be that strong. It's definitely making my wish list now.